I listened to Religion on the Line, comes out on Sunday morning. Rabbi Potasnik, he's the rabbi for the fire department. And he had a question a while back to discuss Allah, and God. And he said, I won't get into that subject. We won't discuss it. The Muslims believe in Allah, but Rabbi Potasnik would not compare anything. Would you care to mention anything?
Yeah, when I did before, I'll do now also. Allah is taken from the name from Elikah, which is, we use that word all the time. We have the same God as the Arabs. We believe in the same God, one God. So it's a paradox. See, the Christians believe in the Trinity, whatever that's supposed to mean, but it's a part of it is their God, who's the JC, we call him, but that's not our belief at all. We're not allowed to believe in anything like that, and we're in better terms with the Christians generally than with the Arabs, generally speaking. But we have in common, we believe in the same God. Right? As a matter of fact, speaking once to Moshe Feinstein, the greatest rabbi of our generation, he said, Allah, that's the Arab's God, the same God that we have. He wasn't afraid to talk about it. They have the same God. But a lot of them, I feel embarrassed by it, because a lot of them, the way they act with the terrorism and so on, it's so anti what God wants. So I'm not sure they're not all like that, but a lot of them that are very terroristic and out for blood and very mean and ruthless. To us, that's embarrassing that we have the same God, but that's not what God wants people to act. I'm sure a lot of them are embarrassed from themselves also, the Arabs, the way some of them act. But generally speaking, they took upon themselves the real God of the world, the creator. But Allah means God, Elikah, that we say, and they believe in the one God who created the world.